Hello everyone. Today I wanna continue the form from the previous tutorial. The last tutorial we talked about form, element, label, element, and input, type, text. And now I am going to today talk about checkbox. This is the checkbox and this is the radio button. Input element for radio button and checkbox. The difference between radio button and checkbox is radio button allows the user to select one option only. Checkbox allows the user to select any number of options. Radio button and checkbox has attributes name, value, and checked disable. They have 4 attributes. Now I'm going to write them. What is the value for radio button? The value to submit to the server when the control is checked and the form is submitted. But for the name, used to specify the entire group of radio objects. All radio buttons and checkbox in a group have the same name. Okay, I'm going to write input and radio input type radio after radio name value. We are going to write a marital status, single or married, single for radio, and this is the name, marital status, input, type, radio name, marital status, value, married. Okay, I'm going to put label. I'm going to write here marital status and file, save, and I double click, but we don't write in radio the name. Single, this one, married, say when I double click, see single or married. I am going to put here for the married the checks, and I put checks means by default when you open your web page, you will gonna see the married radio is already checked. Double click. See, by default married is checked. I can disable this radio button. When you double click, see, you cannot choose married. only you can choose single. Yeah, by default marries it doesn't work because it's disabled. Now I'm going to talk about checkbox. The checkbox, more than one element can be selected. Checkbox also has value and name. Value to submit to the server when the control is checked and the form is submitted. The name, a name that can be referred to by client side or server side. Attributes are the same. Copy this one here, label 1 BR, and then save. This time I am going to use a. After that, input type checkbox, and after that name is a, value 1 to 10, you don't need to write checked or disabled. See, all the name is supposed to be same. Value 10, 20, 30, and 1 to 10. Here 10 to 20 and 30. When I double click, you see age 1 to 10, 10 to 20, and 10 to 30. Better put one more BR here. Now it's better. I want to put a horizontal rule between marital status and the age. Here, after BRs, I put HR. To insert a horizontal rule, we put HR. Now I'm refresh the file. See, one line here. You separate your form with the line. This is enough for today's tutorial. I will continue this subject to my next tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.